All right, family, I'm excited about this beautiful, beautiful property. Now this one is right here in Katy. It's in Cane Island. This is an 80-foot lot property right here. You got the 3,478 square feet. You got your 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. And as soon as you walk in, you're gonna have your double doors with the glass pane in here. As soon as we walk inside, now you're gonna have beautiful foyer right here. You're gonna have your 2 chandeliers with your crown molding going into the 12-foot ceilings. And this will be your study. So inside your study, you're gonna have your exposed wooden beams up there. You got high windows with the window grids inside, as well as the crown molding throughout this property as well. Beautiful features on here. You're gonna have your 5-inch baseboards all along right there. So the good thing is about this study is that you have plenty of space for anything really. Especially when working in here, you got your French doors. This one would be a 3-car garage. And then what we'll do is we'll head this way. And this will be your laundry room. So you got the cabinet crowns up there, plenty of space for an oversized washer and dryer, tile flooring in here. And then we'll head to the first bedroom. So you got your nice lighting fixture up there, carpet in the bedrooms. So the good thing is they definitely didn't skimp on the size of the bedrooms. That's one thing that Perry is very much well known for, is making sure that you have adequate space inside of your properties. That way you don't have to worry as much about putting furniture in here and having everything fit. So definitely be good to go on there. Nice sized closet. And then in here you'll have your quartz countertops with your lighting fixtures up there. Then you have your mirror framing with the interesting tile that goes into the bathrooms. Definitely nice backsplash right there. Look how different that backsplash is. Wow, it's interesting just going to some of these and you can see different styles inside of the bathrooms and things like that. And then you have quartz countertops extended in here. So this will be a Jack and Jill bathroom. And then going into your second bedroom right here. So this one has the carpet in here, depending on what you like, dislike. You know, how I always mention the carpet is definitely something that makes sense in the bedrooms, not so much in the common areas, especially in 2023. But you got a nice little lighted fixture right there, chandelier deal coming down. Gorgeous. All right, so we'll head here to the left. This will be your third bedroom right here. So you have plenty of space in here as well. And the good thing is with this one could be a guest bedroom because you have a bathroom that we'll go to right now that attaches to this one. Nice size walk-in closet again. So plenty of space in here. Of course, if you do want some information about this, got all the information you need in the description below. So the good thing is about this ceiling fans, you know, you have the LED ceiling fans, great upgrade. I always recommend you use that just because of, you know, just the modernness of the ceiling fans. And this will be the bathroom that's attached to the third bedroom. So you got your standing shower, quartz countertops extending in here, dark gray cabinetry with the black handles. Matches the lighting fixtures up there. And we'll head back through here. So the good thing is you got the 3 bedrooms that are close to one another. They're all in one space. And then this will be the closet area. And then we'll head back through here. And then this will be your primary bedroom walk-in closet. So it attaches to the utility room. You got your LED lighting on top of the ceiling. You have plenty of space in here. Like you got the shoe racks in there. You got anything you really need, guys. I mean, got everything you need. Now this one, you'll have the gold fixture. You have the gold shower knob up there, shower head. You got the water that's gonna be coming down right here. So nice little bath that you can take right here. Got your toilet right here to the right. And then you got your his and her sinks. Like I said, you got the gold knobs, the gold trim right there. Then you can just see right there, that'll be hers. With the soaking tub, large soaking tub. So even entering in, you have plenty of space. Look how beautiful that is. That way you can pan that and see what you're working with. And then this will be the second primary closet right here. How much space. So this would definitely probably be the ladies' walk-in closet. I mean, a lot of times you got shoes and a lot of dresses and things like that. You might need to use this one. And then this will be your primary bedroom. Very, very much spacious. So you got the nice chandelier coming down. As you can see right there. You got the nice accent wall back there as well, with the wooden floors coming in inside of the primary bedrooms. Plenty of space. Love the little bay windows right here. Extremely roomy. And then before we go into the living room, you'll see this. This is the living room with the kitchen. You got plenty of space. So you got the cabinet crowns all up there. You got extra storage space. You got the exposed wooden beam all along, running from the kitchen to the living room. Stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, backsplash, matching the countertop as well. Look how beautiful that is. So you got your wooden range hood. You got your two lighting fixtures coming down over the island with the double oven, stainless steel. Plenty of space. So again, this is 3,478 square feet. This is the 3478W floor plan. As you can see, just absolutely beautiful. This would be great just for entertaining guests and having a lot of the family over. It's open to the kitchen, so no one's excluded from conversations. Which I know if you ever go into a house and you see a lot of these rooms are secluded, you don't have to worry about this. And this will be your game room right here. So you have plenty of space in this game room. You could use this as another bedroom. You got the crown molding coming up on the ceilings, adds a nice little touch to it. But just look how beautiful this is. So this will be a perfect place for entertaining other folks as well. Watching your favorite movies or putting it as a bedroom because you already have your French doors right there. And then what we'll do, I'll just show you some of the closet spaces as well. Then you got your electric fireplace right there. You got your tile on the fireplace. This way you can see, so you got a little coat closet right here. Another little storage closet. And that was going to be a half bath right there. It was a handicap bathroom just because it's a model house. You're going to be open to the public. So that's just kind of how it is. And this will be your backyard right here. You got your covered, large, oversized, extended patio. Plenty of space out here. You got 2 ceiling fans. So keep in mind, folks, that this is gonna be a model home. So some of the upgrades you see in here may or may not be the same as some of the inventory homes. Of course, if you were to build, it'd be different as well. But they usually sell off the model homes as soon as they get done with all the inventory homes. So if this is something where you say, I just love the way everything looks in this one, you know, of course, reach out. We'll get you taken care of, see what we can do for you. And again, this is the 80-foot lot. Look how large this backyard is. Plenty of space out here. And then that'll be the backyard. All right, folks, I hope you absolutely enjoyed this tour. Again, if you did and you love this Perry Homes, hit that link in the description below, and I'll see you folks on the next tour.